Hey everybody, Mr. Welding TIG and Tricks here again today. I'm doing a real short video. Just wanted to show y'all a simple little trick for doing a miter corner, double miter corner on a piece of pipe with a chop saw. So you can get it level on both ends. What you can do, let me adjust my camera here a little bit. So take your measurement, get your measurement ready, get that lined up where you need it. In your chop saw. So that's about going to be about right there for me. Tighten that up a little bit. Don't put too much tension on it. Take yourself a square, I mean a level. Put your level on there, on the end of it, and adjust it around to where it's level. I'll show you. See, I don't know if you guys can see that, so I'm going to show you. Okay, so I'm going to have to adjust that a little bit more. Whoops, sorry about that, y'all. I want you guys to be able to see this. So I've got this on here as flat as possible. So about right there, that's where I need to cut that. And maybe a little bit more right there. They cut that right there. Yeah, that should do it. Don't put too much tension on here, and then tighten up your clamp on your chop saw some more. Again, double check it. There you go. I hope you guys like that little trick. Thanks for watching. Hey, you guys have a good one. Have fun building. Especially building each other up. During these crazy times we live in. Check y'all later.